How do incorrect signatures invalidate a home deed transfer? Imagine trying to move into a new house and finding out the paperwork isn't quite right. That's what can happen if signatures on a deed aren't correct. When you transfer property ownership, signatures are more than just signatures. They are the legal proof that the person selling or transferring the property agrees to do so. If the signature is missing, forged, or doesn't match the name on the deed, it can cause big problems. The main reason is that the signature shows the grantor's intent to transfer ownership. Without it, the transfer isn't legally confirmed. Notarization is another key part. The grantor must sign the deed in front of a notary public or authorized officer. The notary checks the signer's identity and confirms they signed voluntarily. If the signature isn't notarized properly, or if the notary's seal or date is missing or incorrect, the deed may not be accepted for recording. Only original signatures on the original deed are valid. Copies or electronic signatures without proper approval are usually not accepted. This helps prevent fraud and confirms the authenticity of the transfer. If the person signing the deed is acting as an agent or has power of attorney, they must have legal authority to do so. If they don't, the signature can be invalid, and the transfer might be rejected. Also, the signature must match the printed name on the deed, and the date must be correct. If the date is before the deed's effective date or notarization, the transfer can be invalidated. In real estate investing, incorrect signatures can cause delays or legal disputes. If the deed isn't valid, the investor might not have clear ownership rights. This can affect getting financing, selling the property, or developing it. It might also open the door to claims from previous owners or third parties. To avoid these issues, always verify that the grantor signs the deed correctly and in front of a notary. Confirm that the signer has authority if they are acting on behalf of someone else. Review the deed carefully before closing to ensure all signatures, names, and dates are correct. Using experienced professionals like title agents or real estate attorneys can help catch signature errors early. In short, incorrect signatures can make a deed invalid by failing to prove the grantor's voluntary and authorized transfer of property. This can stop the recording process and put ownership at risk. Making sure signatures are proper and notarized is essential for a smooth and legal home deed transfer.